Welcome to the in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S8, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings and then click here on the sounds and vibration. Just then tap on the volume section, and to turn off to mute the ringtone you should swipe with your finger this blue dot to the left side. And also we can do it by the second way, but first be sure that here the use volume keys from media switcher is turned off. And now just by press your down volume button you can also mute your ringtone. And also we got this third way how we can do that. Just press your up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and you'll see the volume panel, and just by swipe with your finger to the down you can also mute your ringtone. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.